Hello viewers, today we would be comparing lizards with spiders. Our emphasis would be on how they get their food and what we as humans can learn from it all. But before we begin, for the sake of the first timers on this YouTube channel, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Victor Isibo, the face and the voice behind Victor Isibo Reviews. Here on this YouTube channel, you get to learn important life lessons that make you better versions of yourself on the daily basis. If personal development and edification is something you find interesting, I invite you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification icon, put it on all so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this channel. Now, let's go back to the lizard. The lizard feeds by going all out to prey on insects. The lizard waits, the lizard plans, the lizard jumps, the lizard attacks, the lizard pursues its prey just to feed. Meaning that each time that the lizard gets food to eat, the lizard has to put in a lot of hard work. The lizard has to break a sweat. The lizard has to hustle before the lizard would eat each and every time. So for days when the lizard is weak or sick or unmotivated or injured and cannot actively pursue its prey, the lizard would starve. And if this weakness or sickness that the lizard is suffering takes too long a time to heal, the lizard would probably die of starvation. Now, let's talk about the spider. Now, the spider is more strategic and tactical in its approach of getting its livelihood. The spider patiently and meticulously weaves a web. Now, weaving of one web can take anywhere between 30 to 60 minutes. So the spider weaves and builds webs in many places. This takes time, but once the webs are set up, the webs begin to trap other animals as food for the spider. The spider, unlike the lizard, does not have to go out to chase or pursue prey before it can eat. The webs that it has set up in different places, they do all the job. So what the spider just does is, after setting up these webs, the spider goes home to chill and relax. Then every now and then it will just take a walk around to check its webs. And it would find its prey trapped in the web, helpless, waiting to be eaten. Now, in the world today, many people are like the lizard. What they earn is active income. If and when they become inactive, then they stop earning, then they start starving. Like the lizard, they must go out every day, early in the morning, drive through traffic, get to hustle and grind every day, getting back home late at night, too tired to interact with their loved ones. And this is how they would continue to live their lives until the day they die, unless they decide to make a change. Remember what Warren Buffett once said. He said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you would have to work until the day you die. So here's my advice to all the lizards watching this video. The lizards are the ones who earn active income. Now, save up part of that your active income and utilize it by taking the spider's approach, which helps you to create and earn residual income. What is residual income? This is the income that continues to pay off long after the completion of the income producing work. Remember, in the case of the spider, the web creation is the income producing work, and the web now continues to catch praise for the spider long after they were created. Now, what are some of the examples of residual income? This includes royalties, rental or real estate income, interest or dividend income, and also income from ongoing sales of consumer goods such as digital art, music, or books, amongst others. Now I ask you, are you a lizard or a spider? If you are a lizard, what are your plans towards becoming a spider? Which one do you prefer, being a lizard or being a spider? Let me read your thoughts in the comment section below. Like and share this video amongst your social media circle. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Till I see you in the next video, I remain Victor Isibo. It is bye for now.